My name is Michael. I've always been the kind of person who stays quiet when I walk into a room. Even when I wanted to say something simple, my voice would disappear. It felt like no one was listening, like my words didn't matter. I watched others speak easily, make decisions, and grab attention, and I couldn't do anything. Every time I tried to show myself, a strange fear filled me. Something in my mind kept saying, "You're not enough. You can't do it." The question that haunted me every day was, why do some people have confidence and I don't? Is confidence something some people are born with, or can it be learned? That question filled my mind every day, and at night, when I was alone, I kept asking myself, Michael, can you really change? Can you even take one small step? I knew I had to start somewhere. But where do you begin when even starting is scary? One day, an opportunity came that changed everything. I had to speak in an important meeting with all my colleagues and managers present. My heart was racing, my hands were sweaty, and every sentence I wanted to say got lost in my mind. That old feeling came back. I'm not enough, everyone's better than me, I'll mess up, no one will notice me. But something in my mind said, just say one short sentence. Just start. I took a deep breath and said, I want to share my thought. And something strange happened. It wasn't my words that mattered, it was my courage that grabbed everyone's attention. I realized real confidence means acting despite fear, not being fearless. And a new question formed in my mind. Can I take these steps every day, even when I'm scared? Even when I'm not sure I'll succeed? That question opened a new path for me. The path of learning real confidence, step by step. After that meeting, something shifted in my mind. I realized confidence isn't something you're born with, it's something you build every day. I decided to take one small step each day, even when fear was still there. Mornings I practiced with myself, saying a short sentence in class, greeting someone I didn't know, giving a small comment in a meeting. The fear was still there, but it faded little by little. One day, while taking another small step, I noticed something. By taking a step every day, even if no one noticed, I gradually felt bigger, I felt in control of my life. And again a question popped up in my mind. Can you take a small step every day and face your fear, even when no one is watching? Even when you're not sure you'll succeed? Those small steps, which everyone thinks are simple and insignificant, are actually what build real confidence. A few weeks later, a big project came up and I had to give a presentation. That same fear returned. I wanted to run away and I thought I couldn't handle it. But I remembered the small steps I had taken. I took a deep breath and told myself, Michael, it's natural to be afraid, but take action. As I started, every movement and every word I spoke felt like I was in control. Not just because the presentation went well, but because I no longer let fear stop me. At that moment, I realized real confidence means taking action even when you're scared. And a new question formed in my mind. Can you take steps in your biggest challenges and not let fear decide your path? That was the moment I understood that confidence comes from action and repetition, not from being fearless. Today, Michael is no longer the person who sits in the corner and sees himself as small. Real confidence doesn't come from fearlessness, it comes from action and practice. From taking steps even when you don't want to, facing your fears. Every day when I look at myself, I ask, what small step can I take today? These steps are what brought me to real confidence. And now I know, confidence means courage in the face of fear, not the absence of it. Now it's your turn. You can take a small step every day and build your path. If you're ready to start your journey of confidence, join me and subscribe for more stories.